Hello everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. We have already covered Google's Gemma model from various angles on the channel. We have locally installed every flavor including 1 billion, 4 billion, 12 billion and 27 billion parameter size models in this new family. These models have excelled in tasks like question answering, summarization and reasoning, while their compact design allows for deployment on resource limited devices, especially with this Ollama. Now, a lot of people are commenting under my videos here that they also have been trying to get it installed with Ollama but unable to do so. So in this video, I'm going to show you what exactly is the problem, as why many people are unable to do so, and then a very simple solution, which by the way, I already have covered on the channel many times, but let's do it again. So this is Google's Gemma-3 4 billion instruction tuned model, which we are going to install from Ollama instead of here. And if you're interested in learning more about the full model, its fine tuning and other stuff, just search my channel. You can see that I have covered it from various angle. Even you can run it on CPU if you follow this video, and the vision model, I mean the 12 billion one. Anyway, so I'm assuming you already have Ollama installed. If not, I will also quickly tell you how to do that. Ollama, by the way, is one of the easiest and fastest tool to run large language models locally, and I have covered it in more than 1000 videos already on the channel. So I already have Ollama installed, and if I take you to my terminal, this is my Ubuntu system and I have one GPU NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. This is courtesy massed compute. If you're also looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a 50% discount coupon for a range of GPUs. So let's go here. Let me clear the screen. Let's first download the Gemma-3 model from Ollama. So from ollama.com, just select Gemma-3, and we are going with 4 billion. So you see it comes in Q4, KM and lot of other codes, but I'm just going to go with this simple one. So let's copy this, and then let me first do Ollama list to show you that I don't have Ollama installed. I have Ollama installed, but I don't have Gemma-3 downloaded, but let me now download it. So instead of running it, which downloads and runs it, I'm just going to pull it for now. The pull just downloads the model on your local system, and I believe it is a dockerized format, and then it verifies the checksum of this model. This is a 4 billion one. The size is just over 3.3. So it has already downloaded it. Now it is verifying the checksum. While it does that, let me also quickly introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will also drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, let's go back here to see what is happening. So the model is downloaded, all well and good. Now you can run it by just doing Ollama run Gemma-3. There you go, and you will face this error once you are running it. So the reason is that Gemma-3 model is newer, but Ollama's version is older. So in order to get it running, we need to upgrade Ollama. I already have done this very simple to follow video as how to upgrade Ollama on Linux, Windows and Mac. So this is my Linux system where I'm going to upgrade it now in front of you, but if you have some other operating system like Windows or Mac, just watch this video. Just search with upgrade Ollama and you should be able to find this video. I did it 8 months ago. So let me quickly show you how you can upgrade it. So the first step in upgrade and installation of Ollama is simple. Just go to the main page of Ollama. From there, click on download. I am running Linux, so I'm just going to grab this command. I'm going to go back here on my terminal. Run this command. This is going to download the latest version of Ollama, and this takes a bit of a time, so let's wait for it. And you can see that it has installation done because it has downloaded and run that script too. So from here, if you do Ollama version, This is the version. Now it is still saying the systemd is not running. Sorry, not this. It is still maybe showing you the 0.5 where it should be points, different one. So for that you would need to make sure that you copy all of this in a separate folder. So you see I'm just cping the bin file of Ollama to bin, and then if you again check the Ollama version, it should be something like this. You see, client version is different, Ollama version is different, so we need to also fix that. In order to fix, all you need to do is to make sure that you do this daemon reload, then you stop Ollama service, then you start Ollama service. And I'm just using this system CTL for that. And now when you will check this Ollama version, it should be fine now. There you go. You see, now the Ollama version is fine. There is no client or anything like that warning. So let me clear my screen, and now when you will run this Gemma-3 model, it should run fine. And there you go. You see, it is running fine, no errors, nothing. So you can just start talking with it. You can just talk with it. Hello Gemma, how are you? And then Gemma is talking. What is the meaning of word Gemma? Okay, so there is a fascinating and layered history. So ancient Roman origin. It's a small, flat, polished piece of quartz. Medieval heraldry. Look at the prose. This is really good stuff from Gemma. And remember, this is just a quantized version. This is not a full model. And then it is, you see, it is even aware of the modern use, and it is talking about itself. So pretty good, I would say, not bad at all. So but this is how you run this easily in your local system with Ollama. If you're facing the same error, now you have the solution and you can easily run through it. And this is valid for all the Gemma versions from Ollama, whether it is 4 billion, 1 billion, 3 billion, whatever, and not only text but also the vision one. So do it. If you still face any other issue, feel free to put it in the comments. I'm happy to help out. I'm also working on another video where I will also be showing you how you can run it with Ollama, both the text and vision models. So stay tuned, shouldn't be long. That video will be out soon. So hopefully this was useful. If it was, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.